To set up custom keyboard theme on Realme 14 Pro Plus, first of all, you will have to go into the settings. From here, scroll all the way down and go for System and Update, and then go for Keyboard and Input method. Next, go for Manage Keyboards and select your current keyboard, and right here we have to go for Theme. And there you can find My Themes, and here you have to press this plus icon, and now you'll be able to select any picture from your gallery for your keyboard. So let's select, for example, this one, and now you can adjust this picture for your keyboard. You can pinch or drag around this this square right here, this area for the keyboard. Now let's simply press next, and here we can adjust brightness of our picture. So let's set it up to 100, press done, and additionally right here you can toggle the key borders. As you can see, it is better without them. Now simply press apply, and as you can see here we have the new keyboard here in My Themes. It is now selected, and as you can see, let me just show you, that's how you can do this.